Can you tell me just a little bit about your talk yesterday that I didn't get to see?
Sure, I did a work session on how we use design thinking to understand opportunities in the healthcare space, connecting healthcare and design and technology together.
And this is opportunity mapping?
That's what we call it. It's a tool that we use in the design thinking process to help our clients understand the range of opportunities that are available to them when they are faced with a problem to solve.
So then was your session yesterday, did you get people to interact with you, or what was your lessons?
It was very interactive. We put our model, this opportunity map, on tables, and groups of people were given a problem to solve, and then they were to map the different business or hospital-related problems to look at, the technologies they could work on, and then all the user needs and desires that they should be thinking about. And then from that, you connect these areas with concepts, basically. Product concepts in one case, user experience concepts in another, and then brand concepts in the third. So by creating one huge map, usually with Post-its, you get all the criteria that you're interested in looking at in one place, and with that you can start connecting the dots and deciding how you want to compose these elements to make different opportunities into stories that you can tell, and then decide which way you want to go.
So rather than just pulling one piece out, you're working on the whole puzzle?
Yes, what happens so often in business settings is somebody's analyzing information, curating this information, and turning it into a PowerPoint presentation. So someone prioritizes their goals, reduces it to the lowest common denominator, and then you've got very little to work with. We sort of do the opposite. We make this stew of information that you have to organize together, and then from that you can really look at different ways to compose that information and look at different ways to solve the problem. And
from participating in the rest of the conference, do you have anything that you'll add to what you're currently doing that you've gained from other people here?
What I found so compelling about this conference was all the personal stories that were brought to bear on the way that individuals are solving problems. So in the context of a workshop, we tend to use personas and abstractions of people, but what I found so interesting here is that the personal stories were so compelling that there's much more engagement with how you might want to go after that very personal problem in a very particular way. So we may see if we can figure out a way to weave that into the mix.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. Anything else that you'd like to say before we go?
No, this is a fantastic conference. I've had a lot of fun.